How to clean and condition the hair system with poly base. Loose up the adhesive with the tepid water. Remove the adhesive with the cotton and towel. Apply a small amount of mild shampoo to the palms of your hands and evenly over the hair system. Simply smooth the shampoo on the system from the base to the tips of the hair. Gently rinse all shampoo from the base to the tips. Spread some hair conditioner into the palm of your hands and work evenly into the hair. Rinse the conditioner under cool running water. Lightly blot the hair system with a towel. Spray in some detangling spray. Comb through the hair with a vent brush or paddle brush.